In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest QGIS free for Windows 10 11. Downloading and installing the latest QGIS 2025 version on Windows 10 or 11 is simple since the software is completely free and open source. QGIS is widely used for mapping, GIS analysis, and geospatial data visualization, and it runs smoothly on most modern PCs. To begin, head over to the official QGIS website at qgis.org on your favorite browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. On the home page, you'll find the download section where the latest long-term release and the most recent stable release are available. The LTR version is best if you want maximum stability for professional use, while the stable release gives you the newest features and improvements. Both options are free to download. Click on the Windows download link, and you'll typically get an installer packaged via the OS/GeoFour, Watt Network installer, or a standalone installer. The standalone installer is the easiest option, as it contains everything needed to run QGIS right away. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it to launch the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen steps by selecting your installation folder, choosing components, the default setup is usually fine, and confirming the installation. After a few minutes, QGIS will be installed on your system. You can then launch it directly from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. When you open QGIS for the first time, you'll be greeted by its main interface, where you can start importing shapefiles, raster data, or connect to online mapping services. Since QGIS is open source, you also get access to hundreds of free plugins to extend its capabilities for advanced GIS tasks. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.